In the following video, we're gonna try to produce a radioactive slime by mixing borax with water and glue to give it the texture that we want to reach. That texture of a slime by the process called polymerization. Polymerization is a process in which molecules form repeatedly the same type of molecule and repeat themselves in a chain in order to achieve certain characteristics. So, in order to explain the process of polymerization, it's important to say that there are three types of polymers: soft polymers, rubberish polymers, and hard polymers. So the gluish texture achieved in this experiment was caused by the polymer called polyvinyl acetate. Borax helped linking this polyvinyl acetate into a big chain. This big chain was then causing the texture of a glue and of a slime in the final product. So this process was called polymerization. That was all, and hope you enjoyed.